2021 will be the year that I don't use shopping as a coping mechanism. Because not gonna lie, that is exactly what got me through 2020. And the result of that is that I have so many clothes. I have so much shit that I don't even need. My closet will hardly close. I have clothes thrown in the most random of places and my drawers keep getting stuck. So today is the day I'm dedicating this entire day to cleaning out my closet. This whole closet cleaning out in journey started back in December. My sister is gonna watch this and be like, I've taken over my sister's closet. Anyways, this closet, I'll just show you. It's getting harder and harder to open, so we've got to clean it out. I've got skirts and dresses on the top, this very random pile of jeans that I don't know if they fit me anymore because I grew. We've got sweatpants on the bottom and a row of jackets. So we are gonna go through it and I'm hoping to get rid of a lot. Skirts don't stretch like this, okay? So this is a rare find, but not the most flattering on me, so. Period, kind of fits. It's a little much. Actually, is it? I don't know. If I don't wear this by spring, I'll get rid of it, but I'm gonna give her a shot, okay? Skirts are done. Now for the dresses. I know I don't wear most of these, so this one should be pretty easy to go through. No way this still fits me. Goodbye. There is no way this fits either. I actually snapped the straps of this on my 20th birthday, so it's just been tied in a knot. Yeah. I wore this all the time senior year, so there's a lot of memories attached to this. And that is why she's leaving. This is what I'm getting rid of so far. Doing pretty well. We're doing a pretty good job, I think, so far. These are all the hangers of stuff that I just got rid of. So I'd say that's pretty solid progress. Now I want to get to the sweatpants because I know that most of them do not fit on my thighs. I am left with these. I think we cut it down by 8 or 9 sweatpants, so doing well. Oh, holy crap. All right, we've got to keep this one. Goodbye. I cut down by 1 box. You are absolutely insane if you think I'm gonna try on jeans right now. This is a workout. Welcome to the side of the closet that I'm most embarrassed by. So I don't know if you guys remember, let's take a trip down memory lane to 2018 when fuzzy jackets were it. I bought those said fuzzy jackets. Safe to say we're gonna get rid of most of them today because I do use some when I travel, but for the most part, no. I'm not gonna wear this anymore. Lavender, come on now. Don't wear that. Farewell. Okay team, I went through the rest of the closet and you will not believe the pile that we are getting rid of today. Insane. I'm so glad for these pieces that they're gonna have a new home. I just can't believe I shoved that all in this closet. Kind of crazy. We're not gonna do that again. Gonna take a small break and tomorrow we're gonna tackle the drawers. I may or may not have them like stuffed full. I hold an emotional connection with these t-shirts, so this is gonna be a little rough to go through. It's fine, it's not that serious. It's a little serious. Oh my gosh. I wore this every week of high school. It was my iconic Powerpuff Girl t-shirt. I've been putting off putting this away since I've graduated and I know I'm not gonna wear it anymore. This is a piece of history, but we've gotta let it move on. All right, we are done with the drawers. Let's see everything that we are gonna get rid of. I'd say this is a pretty solid amount. None of the drawers are difficult to close anymore, so that's really good. Here we are now. It is January 14th and we've got a lot to do. We are going to tackle my whole room. I've got my set of drawers over here, this random pile that just keeps getting higher and higher, that one spot in my closet that I just keep throwing stuff into, and then we have my main closet. All right, the hair is going up. I mean business here. And because I mean business, here is my game plan. Going into this, I'm gonna have a donate pile and a sell pile. So I'm gonna be donating the things that I've got sent from companies or for PR because I don't feel comfortable selling stuff that I got for free, or just things that are a little bit older. I have a few foundations that I'll be donating to, or I'll make a pile for some friends. And the sell pile will be things that are in super good condition, maybe even have tags, and that will be stuff that I'm selling on my Poshmark. I'm beginning here because I obviously use this closet every day, and it's so heavy. Goodbye, shawty. So far, so good. I'm trying not to hold emotional attachment to things because that's what I always do, and I end up keeping a shit ton of clothes. So we are losing that attitude today. Everyone is on the chopping block. No one is safe. This is everything I'm getting rid of so far. But what I really want to do is go through it again because I feel like those were just the easy ones, but I'm going to force myself to get rid of at least 3 more things. This is so hard! Clothes are just clothes. Clothes are just clothes. Clothes are just clothes. Okay, I think so far so good. Now moving on to the bottom row where I keep most of my tank tops and shirts. I hate that there's not a ton of room to move things around. I want to get rid of a ton of stuff. I know there's so much that I don't wear anymore. I want to have a good amount of space in between clothes so I can slide it around. You know what I mean? Guys, look at all of this stuff. It's this huge pile. I'm gonna separate it from donating and selling later. These are all the hangers that I just got rid of. I am so happy with the progress. There's already so much more room in my closet. And you know the drill, baby. We are gonna go through it again just because that was like an easy sweep. I'm gonna make myself get rid of at least 5 more things. I'm feeling very pleased and very free after getting rid of so much stuff. What I want to tackle next is this box. I don't even know what's in here. I guess this was just another place that I was throwing stuff that wouldn't fit into my closet. But now that I have the room, I want to go through this and make sure everything is stuff that I still want. Am I going to wear this sheer robe? That is the question. With a bikini underneath on the beach. Could be a vibe. I'm never gonna wear this. It would literally take a miracle for these to still fit. Don't use that. Great, now we've cleared out this bin. Okay, it was fun dressing cute and all, but I'm ready to go in on the rest. There's a lot of work we have to do in these drawers. So I've already looked through the top drawer, which is like my bras and undies and stuff. The workout drawer needs a little bit of help. It's always like getting stuck. I love everything in here. I just feel like it's too much that I can't possibly use. So I'm gonna pick my favorites. I belong to you. Now that I cleared this out, I actually have loads of more room. I can move my athletic biker shorts from here into here, and then I'll have more room in this shorts drawer. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. Random side note, I guess I used to feel really, insecure and upset when something that used to fit me really well, like a pair of shorts or something, no longer fits or looks good. But I've learned that it happens. Our body, our weight, it fluctuates, and especially as we grow up, our body's constantly changing, so it's not realistic to think, why don't I have my body that I had when I was 15? And we get into such this cycle. I'm gonna start getting rid of stuff because I know some of these don't fit. We go into this cycle where well, I don't know if you guys do this, but I do. I'll look back at pictures and I'll be like, why did I believe that I was fat? And I'm looking at these pictures from like 2 or 3 years ago, or even a year ago, and I was like, I wasn't even fat. Why did I spend so much time thinking that I was, getting so down about it? And the truth is, the way our mind works, it's like you're never gonna be satisfied with what you have. I forgot I had these. They match my eyeliner. You always just think the worst about yourself. And it's a cycle that we have to break, because I know for me it's so ingrained in my brain that I used to never be satisfied with how I looked. But it's important to be grateful for your body, because it got you through a pandemic, through 2020, which was a crazy year, and you made it through. If you're watching this video, you made it through 2020. Thank your body for that you are here, you are well, and break that cycle of thinking, oh my gosh, I'm so fat, blah, 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 blah. Because reality is, in a few years, you're probably gonna be like, why did I waste so much of my time getting so down about myself when I wasn't? Hindsight is usually the best sight. It's truly all about perspective. And when it comes to clothes, if something no longer fits you, simply let that piece go. Don't feel like you have to go on this crazy diet to fit back into it or spiral down that negative mindset. It's normal for our bodies to fluctuate in weight, especially as we get older and under different circumstances. There's just a lot that plays into it. That's my little tip, because I used to get so upset at myself that something no longer fit, and now I'm like, bye. What did Mario say when he went down the little tube? Denim, denim, denim. Ew, that was so lame, I'm sorry. I'm obsessed with my denim drawer. I love denim so much. Any wash, any style, it is here. But I have not gone through my denim drawers, and there's two of them. I have shorts and pants. I have not gone through these drawers since April, and a lot can change in 9 or 10 months, okay? I need to try all of these on, because some of them I already knew wouldn't fit, but these are ones I want to try on and make sure that they do. Okay, that is a nice surprise. I did not expect these to still fit. The do be a little short. Who cares? Cute, cute. All right. Okay, they're stuck. You know what? We're just gonna cut it off. Oof. That's tight. I feel like I used to be in a mindset where I was like, okay, if it's a little tight, I'm just gonna work out super hard, go on like this crazy diet and try and get them to fit. No, not anymore. The booty is just too juicy, guys. And these are the ones that still fit. I had to get rid of a few, but I'm really happy with these, so we'll be keeping them. I know there's a ton of work to do with the pants and the jeans, because I keep getting more, because I keep finding these really cool jeans like the ones you see here, but there's no room for them. I'm pretty aware of how these fit, just because I did try them on recently, but I do want to go through and see if there's styles I don't prefer anymore, so that's next. To be truthful, I don't even know what is going on with this pile. You know that one spot in your house where you just throw everything and it just keeps piling up? This is the spot. This whole basket is full of stuff. I don't even know what's in here, honestly. The basket has been officially cleared out. Everything that was in there just didn't have a home before, so now that I made room in my closet and in my drawers, it has a home. Very excited about that, but now we must move on. This is another one of those areas where I just keep shoving stuff because there wasn't any room, so I really want to go through and see what we've got. The surrounding mess is an issue I'll worry about another time. My main goal right now is to go through all of this stuff. It's just been sitting in here, and obviously these deserve homes too. Keep. Yes. See. Keep. That's about it. I'm gonna put those clothes away. I don't know if I have room for the pants, so I'm probably just gonna shove them in my sister's closet, which is kind of like my closet. But anyways, what I noticed though is that now that I've gone through so much stuff, I literally want to do a sweep of my sister's room again and my room. I'm gonna do that. I'll see you in a sec. And that is my closet clean out. You got this pile of clothes is literally insane. I'm gonna go through this later and decide, donate, and what I'm gonna sell, so make sure you stay tuned to my Poshmark because some of these pieces are gonna be on there. I can't believe the amount of stuff that we got rid of. I feel so much clearer. My space feels so much better. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. We've been having a lot of fun on there, so do that as you wish. This is your sign to go clean out your closet. If there's things you don't need, get rid of them. 2021 is the year we get rid of things and people that do not serve us. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.